Hello, Internet, and thank you very much for tuning in to the Cloud Native FM and Cloud Therapist YouTube podcast show. You are watching Cloud Native Wisdom, a short video series. Alongside me today, Richard Simon, host and like my co-host of the Cloud Therapist, host of the Cloud Therapist YouTube show, and also my live stream partner from the KubeCon and bunch of the other conferences. Richard, a very quick question for you today on this edition of the Cloud Native Wisdom. What is platform engineering?
Well, it's good to be back with you again. That's an excellent question. I think if you ask 100 people, they'll probably get 100 answers. So, yeah, I mean, I think it's it seems to be kind of the latest way to how we basically produce platforms, how we kind of introduce consistency, governance, security, and be able to get value out of the anything that we kind of produce in that sort of DevOps space. So we're kind of seeing a shift with platform engineering as a way to develop those kind of as they're called golden paths, and those paths are the recommended way for our developers to be able to do the development code that they need and the testing that they need and so on. So platform engineering is there really to kind of provide that standardization and provide consistency in terms of those environments that we can serve to our developers. And that obviously, as I said, brings that sort of leveling sort of the playing field. It introduces security, standardization. We can govern it more. We can observe those platforms, and we can actually manage them a lot better in terms of their life cycle as well, because we have like a standard approach to how to produce those specific platforms. And that's really, I guess, the idea. Obviously, the effect that it's having is that we now have a lot more sort of juxtapositioning between sort of where DevOps is, platform engineering, SRE, and GitOps as well. So that whole space, as I call it, sort of DevOps modernization, is really kind of splintering a lot more. And really, organizations need to reshuffle sort of their teams and in terms of how their teams are actually organized to be able to actually take into account how they adopt things like platform engineering.
Awesome, absolutely. But I would like to critique here as well. Platform engineering exists because we hate DevOps, or platform engineering is already dead. But no, we can't go that route as well. But remember, folks, there is a new series, Code to Culture. Platform Engineering Unpacked for Enterprises is coming to both of these YouTube channel, Cloud Native FM, Cloud Therapist podcast viewers. And this is a panelist talk. It's not just us talking about these concepts. It's an industry expert. Yes, six-part series. And
unprecedented.
Absolutely. And these are the enterprise guests from all of the different organizations. And we would like to join by another co-host, Courtney Nickerson from Nirmata, head of open source and developer relations there as well. So thank you very much for tuning into both of YouTube channel, Cloud Native FM and Cloud Therapist YouTube podcast show. And we will be looking forward to meeting you again on another edition of Cloud Native Wisdom very soon. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit subscribe.